Let me tell you a story of a Tibetan merchant. Once upon a time, there was a merchant who was very wealthy. He had 4 wives, and he loved each of his wives in a different way. He loved his 4th wife because she was really strong. He used to adorn her with all the rich robes and offered all the good food around the world. There comes the 3rd wife. He loved his 3rd wife because she was so beautiful. He always wanted to show her off in front of his friends. But deep down, he had this fear that he will lose her and she will run away with someone else. He loved his 2nd wife because she was so wise and patient and smart. She always used to give him good advices for business that helped him a lot to grow. There comes the 1st wife. His 1st wife was loyal. She was caring. She contributed a lot in the well-being of the merchant, and she was really good at the household as well. But the merchant didn't love her so much. He barely even noticed her on a daily basis. One day, the merchant fell ill. The doctor said, "You are going to die soon." Hearing this, the merchant felt devastated. He thought, "I have all these luxuries, 4 wives, and I'm going to die soon. I'll be alone. I don't want to be alone." So he called his 4th wife and asked, "Dear, I loved you the most amongst all my wives. I gave you all the rich robes and I gave you all the good food around the world. Now that I'm dying, will you follow me and keep the company?" The wife replied, "No, that's impossible. How can you even think of it? I'm not going to come with you." Then he called the 3rd wife and asked the same question. "Dear, I appreciated your beauty all the time. I always take you with me. Now is the time that I'm dying. Will you follow me and keep the company?" The wife replied, "I'm really sorry for your situation, but I will not come with you. It's a no." Then he called the 2nd wife and asked the same question. He said, "Dear, I took all the business advice from you. You helped me a lot to grow. Now that I'm dying, I need your help again. Will you follow me and keep the company?" She said, "The farthest I can come with you is till your grave." After hearing all these 3 answers, he felt very disappointed. He started to cry. But out of nowhere, one voice called out, "I will come with you. I'll be with you no matter what the situation is." He stood up and saw there was his 1st wife standing. She looked very sick and malnutritioned. The merchant started to cry, and he thought, "I should have taken much better care of you while I could." Well, we all have these 4 wives in our lives as well. The 4th one is the body. No matter how much we work on it to make it look better, one day it'll go away. The 3rd one is the possession, the wealth, the status. Once you die, it will go into some other people's hand. The 2nd one is family and friends. The farthest they can come with you is till your grave. But the 1st one is your soul, often neglected in the pursuit of wealth, status, and pleasure. So it's always your choice that what to give more priority when it's still not too late.